Now there are motorcycles, then there are mountains that pose as motorcycles, and the Ducati Multistrada V4S squarely falls in that latter category. At an ex-showroom price tag of 30.6 lakh rupees. And ye hai, before the optional extras, this bike is commanding a big chunk of your savings. But the thing is, the V4S also offers a riding experience that is unmatched by any other motorcycle. It's not a jack of all trades, it's a king of all trades. Exactly how? Well, यही हम जानने वाले हैं आज के इस वीडियो में. Hi, my name is Dhruv Paliwal. You're watching Times Drive. Let's get rolling. Now, before we move ahead, I have a small request to make. If you like the kind of content that we make, please hit that like button so YouTube also knows the same. Also, share this video with your friends who like automotive content, with your family, and also subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such engaging automotive content. Now let's start with the design of the Multistrada V4S over here, and honestly, it's a properly big bike. The kind of bike that makes you feel like you leave home with it and you might come back only after you've crossed a few countries. So as a whole, I love how this motorcycle looks, how it gives you that feel of a big bike. But there are small ifs and buts over here which I would have liked if Ducati had addressed them. Now for starters, this area over here, it's been blocked out. It looks really plain. Now this has been done because the motorcycle features radar technology, and that's where the radar is positioned. But if you did not know that, it looks like a sore spot. Now another thing is, you see all these fins and vents over here that channel hot air out of the radiators, and these are over here to channel the air along the bike's surface so that the Multistrada V4S can cut through air more efficiently. Well, they do their job really well, but to the eye this looks like a bit of a busy design, more so on this black color. Honestly, the Multistrada V4S, it's available in red as well. That's the color I like. Over here, I think the bike kind of hides in the background a little bit. It doesn't come to the foreground like a Ducati should be doing. So I think these are certain compromises I'm seeing over here in terms of design, but overall I think the V4S, even in this black color, still demands your attention. Now this is a big bike. Its weight is about 232 kilos, and इसलिए ergonomics बहुत ही important हो जाते हैं ऐसी motorcycles में. अब बड़ी ADVs का जो riding experience है वो ergonomics ही define करते हैं. चलिए बैठते हैं upon the Ducati Multistrada V4S and find out what it's like. Honestly, आपने देखा होगा, it was so comfortable for me to sit on the V4S, and that's because the seat height over here, it's towards its lowest setting, which is about 795 mm. Highest setting जो है, which is about 890 mm. Now वो European countries में ज़्यादा काम आती है जहाँ पे people are inherently taller. The average height is a lot more. Indian conditions में I think this seat height works really well. It makes it more easy, more manageable to be able to feel confident when you're sitting on the bike. तो सीट की तो बात ये रही. कुशनिंग की अगर मैं बात करूँ, never felt a better seat cushion in my life. I've spent a week on this motorcycle. I have never had the problem of a tired bum. अब बात करते हैं हैंडल बार्स की. तो यहाँ पे ये रोड वाली सेटिंग पे है. एक ऑफ रोड सेटिंग भी आती है, बट वील नॉट डिस्कस इट फॉर राइट नाउ बिकॉज आपको खोल के इसे एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. ऑन द रोड सेटिंग, आई थिंक it's positioned really well. I'm not really having to reach out, whereas I'm on the shorter side. If you would take say 6 feet as the average height of someone who rides a motorcycle like this, I'm about 5'8". This handlebar positioning works perfectly for me. What I also like is this big chunky area that you see over here to properly grab onto the tank. So that's when you're going fast on the highway, you have proper leverage over here, which means you're confidently holding highway speeds on this motorcycle. Now lastly, let's also take a look at my foot position over here. There's a slight bend to my legs, but honestly, in all my time riding this motorcycle, it's felt really comfortable. And यहाँ पे इस पोजीशन में चलाते वक्त मुझे पैरों में तो बिल्कुल भी थकान महसूस नहीं हुई है. So overall, I think Ducati has done a great job with the ergonomics of the Multistrada V4S. अब साथ ही साथ एक नज़र डाल लेते हैं Ducati Multistrada V4S के फीचर्स पर. एंड यहाँ पे इतने सारे हैं कि अगर मैं सारे फीचर्स की बात करने लगा तो ये वीडियो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होने वाला है. That's why I'm going to take a look at the important ones. First of all, you've got cruise control on this motorcycle, and that too adaptive. That means the bike can, using the radar at the front and the back, it can actually maintain the distance from the car in front on its own. Secondly, because that radar system is there, you've also got blind spot monitoring. अगर आपके rear में blind spots में कोई होता है तो मेरे यहाँ पे जो ये मिरर्स हैं इनके कॉर्नर पे एक एक लाइट लगी हुई है एंड दीज लाइट्स दे सिंपली कम ऑन. लास्टली आपको कोलिजन अवॉइडेंस भी यहाँ पे मिलती है. सो बेसिकली बाइक ब्रेक तो नहीं करेगी अपने आप, लेकिन अगर उसको फील होता है ऐसा, द सॉफ्टवेयर फील्स लाइक कि आप कहीं पे जाके टक्कर खाने वाले हैं या फिर आगे वाली गाड़ी अगर स्लो डाउन हो रही है, आगे वाला व्हीकल स्लो हो रहा है एंड यू नॉट रिएक्टिंग अकॉर्डिंगली, you will get a big message on the screen saying collision possible. So I think these are things that really do not exist in the bike world, but with a manufacturer like Ducati bringing tech like this to motorcycles, it's obviously only going to make them safer. अब उसी के साथ मैं बात करूँ यहाँ पे, you've got a ton of riding modes. You've got wet, you've got urban, you've got sport, you've got sport plus, you've got enduro, and all of these modes, they change how the motorcycle functions. अब यहाँ पर राइडिंग मोड्स अलग अलग चीज़ें करते हैं. अर्बन मोड में आपको कम पावर मिलती है एंड आपको जो रिस्पॉन्स है थ्रॉटल का वो भी डायल बैक हो जाता है. टूरिंग मोड में अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात करूँ तो वहाँ पे आपको पूरी पावर मिलती है बट थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स तभी भी रिलैक्स रहता है. उसके बाद आप स्पोर्ट मोड में आ जाते हैं, वहाँ पे आपको पूरी पावर मिलती है एंड थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स भी क्रिस्प हो जाता है. साथ ही साथ स्पोर्ट प्लस में इट स्टार्ट्स डायलिंग बैक दी सेटिंग्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, क्योंकि व्हीली कंट्रोल है यहाँ पे, बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हैं इस मोटरसाइकिल पे एंड दे कीप यू सेफ. So the rear wheel will not spin if you gas it too much. If you brake it too hard, there will be no rear lift. All of those things are kept in check by the Ducati electronics. It's a wonderful package, allows you to ride the Multistrada V4S without really worrying about the consequences. Now most manufacturers would leave it at riding modes, but not Ducati, because you also get suspension modes over here. Now they allow you to set the front and the rear suspension either on the softer end or on the stiffer end. It's all electronically controlled and the suspension modes are even linked to your riding modes. So अगर आप urban में चला रहे हैं तो suspension feels more comfortable. अगर आप sport plus में चला रहे हैं तो suspension stiffens up and it feels really, really taut. One thing here, the suspension over here, there is one more element of it I would like to point out. The front suspension has this sensor which when you go through a pothole, it sends a message to the rear suspension to set it up accordingly to take the pothole in the best way possible, and by the time your rear wheel reaches that pothole, the suspension, it's already been set up and the bike just does its best to maintain stability. I think electronics का यूज़ जो है इस मोटरसाइकिल पे बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से किया गया है एंड उसकी वजह से एक इतनी बड़ी बाइक को, इतनी पावरफुल बाइक को चलाने का एक्सपीरियंस जो है काफ़ी आसान हो जाता है. अब मैंने पावर की बात करी तो एक नज़र डाल भी लेते हैं इस V4 इंजन पे. It's about 1158 cc V4 engine है, makes 170 horsepower. Yes, 170 horsepower. Obviously riding modes के हिसाब से वो कम ज़्यादा हो जाती है, but maximum जो है आपको वही देखने को मिलती है. अब इस इंजन के साथ Ducati ने कुछ clever bits करे हैं, जैसे कि जो rear cylinder bank है जो इधर की तरफ आता है, that shuts off at really low speeds, या फिर आप बिल्कुल जब crawling traffic में होते हैं to basically save fuel and reduce heat. अब ऑनेस्टली ये बाइक मैंने ट्रैफिक में काफ़ी चलाई है, हीट तो अच्छी खासी आती है, बट इफ़ यू वेयरिंग राइडिंग गियर इट रिमेन्स मैनेजेबल. पावर भी आपको बड़ा इजीली फील होता है कि जब आप लोअर आरपीएम से इस बाइक को चला रहे होते हो, इट ऑलमोस्ट फील्स लाइक द इंजन डज नॉट हैव दैट मच पावर, बट वंस यू रिंग ओपन योर थ्रॉटल and the bike crosses 4,000-5,000 RPMs is when you suddenly feel like the engine has come to life and all hell has broken loose. And honestly, it's that point of time when the electronics step in to really take care of your riding experience. साथ ही साथ एक quick shout out to the Ducati quick shifter. If you're in flowing traffic, the quick shifter works flawlessly. जब आप बिल्कुल ही crawling traffic में होते हैं, वहाँ पे using the clutch is a better option because the gear lever feels a little bit jittery when you're using the quick shifter. But overall, I think the quick shifter has been tuned well with the engine, and जो riding experience है उसको going from one gear to the another, I think the quick shifter allows you to carry forward that momentum that you generate with this V4 engine on the road, especially when cruising out on the highway. So with all of that, what is the Ducati Multistrada V4S going to feel like to ride? Well, pace की तो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी कमी नहीं है. ट्विस्टी रोड्स पे अगर आप इसको सेटअप प्रॉपर्ली करें विद ऑल द राइडिंग मोड्स एंड द सस्पेंशन मोड्स, वेल इट्स गोइंग टू एक्ट लाइक अ स्पोर्ट टूरर मोटरसाइकिल ओवर देयर. एंड ऑफ रोड भी अगर लाइट ट्रेल्स हैं, दिस बाइक कैन मैनेज देम really easily. Now with all of that, what's my verdict going to be on a bike like this? Well, यहाँ पे मैं ये कहूँगा कि it is a big bike. You have to be mindful of that. It's got a lot of power. You've got to be mindful of that. If you're aware about all of these things, then आपको जो riding experience है इस मोटरसाइकिल को लेके वो काफ़ी sorted रहने वाला है. Especially with the electronics helping you rein in all the lunacy that this motorcycle brings with it. Price की अगर मैं बात करूँ, so obviously it is a bit on the expensive side with 30.6 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and that is before the options. But honestly, with the kind of confidence this motorcycle gives you, you could probably take it all around the world and come back and still really be like, hey, I can do that again. That's my verdict of the Multistrada V4S. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.